because we have something for everybody. Oh yeah, also forgot to mention this. $15,000 up for... All right. Has one puzzle. Before each round, we're going to load our crystal ball with a secret item. It could be anything. Then I'll give you 5 clues. After each clue, you'll get 20 seconds to submit an answer, but you only get one best guess per round. Not one per clue, one per round. So make sure you're confident before you lock it in. It has to be the exact answer, and we do not accept typos. Everyone that locks in a correct answer on the earliest clue will share in the money, and if you're the only one to get it right on the earliest clue, you'll win that entire prize pot for that round. Bottom line, you want to be fast, but you have to be right. I'm a broken record to you guys at this point, but you gotta hear it. Remember, if possible, make a video of you and your friends playing Best Guess Live. Send it to us, or tag us on your socials with the hashtag Best Guess Live, at Netflix Games, at Hunter March. I love seeing it. I love sharing it. With that being said, let's win some money. Yeah. Round 1 is worth $5,000. Let us load the crystal ball. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the only thing that stands between you and $5,000 on this Friday night is that crystal ball. Good luck. Clue number 1, always under attack. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Clue number 1, always under attack. What could it be? What could it be? Always under attack. If you guys first-time players tonight, best of luck. Returning players, even better luck. Thanks for coming back. Time's up. Clue number 1, always under attack. Cerulean Marmot 8 from Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. Too long of a city name for how long the state name is. Said Pokemon. Always under attack. Pokemon, yes. It's one of those fights. We got to keep fighting for those Pokemon. They're always under attack. And then Goofy Mutt 311 said bowling pins. These are good guesses. Will they hold? 4 more clues. Clue number 2, expert at counter defense. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Always under attack, expert at counter defense. All right, always under attack. I mean, Pokemon are pretty good at counter defense. That's their whole thing. You attack, they defend. Is it going to hold for the next 3 clues? We'll find out. Time's up. Expert at counter defense was clue number 2. Fuzzy Rooster 973 said cats. So true. So true. They think they're always under attack, but I'm just trying to love them. And then on the mark 680 said the Seattle Seahawks. Hey, that's this weekend. Look at me, I know sports. Dad, are you proud? All right, clue number 3, let's keep going. I'll take a slice. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. I'll take a slice. If the answer is still Pokemon, that is really, really messed up. This is a dark, twisted game. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably out. 7 seconds left. You guys, this is your 3rd clue. 2 more left after this to lock in your answer, but time's up. Kelly Knows Best 545 said heart surgeon. All right, I'll take a slice. I hope they're not that cavalier about it, but Online Jet 924 said pizza. I'll take a slice. Yeah. These are good guesses. You got 2 more clues, though, that can rule them out. Here's clue number 4. Where meats meet and get chopped to eat. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Now, if you guys weren't here yesterday or the day before, I forget when it was, I gave you guys a big secret about how the game works. The last 2 clues, the last clue especially, is gonna rhyme. How does that help you? It doesn't. Good luck. Time's up. Clue number 4, where meats meet and get chopped to eat. Loge Who's, or Lou-Who's from Simi Valley said butcher. Hey, where meats meet and get chopped to eat. It's a good guess. Nosy Bunny said Arby's. They do have, anyway, Let's go to clue number 5. Your 5th and final clue for this first puzzle. Clue number 5 is a wooden layer for the culinary slayer. There's your rhyme. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Great rhyme. Great rhyme. Great rhyme. 51,805 players right now. 10 seconds left. This is your 5th and final clue. Always under attack. Expert at counter defense. I'll take a slice where meat's meat and get chopped to eat. A wooden layer for the culinary slayer. Time is up. Clue number 5, a wooden layer for the culinary slayer. Got a lot of good guesses. A lot of people figured it out then, but did someone figure it out sooner? Let's find out what's inside the crystal ball. The correct answer was... a cutting board. The only difference between a board and a cutting board is a knife. Really thought I had something there. Anyway, question is, who got it right? Who got it right the earliest, and who's taking home the money? Let's start with clue number 5. A wooden layer for the culinary slayer. Cutting boards are often wooden or often used by chefs. 4,486 people got it right. Pretty good. There's a lot of people who got it right. But oftentimes people get it right a little quicker than clue 5. So let's see. Clue number 4, where meat's meat and get chopped to eat. That's a cutting board. Happy Meat Day. Carne Diem. 12,380 people guessed. 2,487 got it right. Still a lot of people, which means there might be some earlier guessers. Let's see. Clue number 3, I'll take a slice. Well, it willingly volunteers to take a slice from your knife. 10,379 people guessed on clue number 3. I think 9,000 of those were pizza. And 867 got it right. It's a lot. Clue number 2, expert at counter defense. Well, it defends your counter from damage. Great clue. And a lot of people figured it out because out of the 15,000 guesses, 406 got it right. Seems like you guys might be figuring out some of our tricks. We'll figure you out. Okay, clue number 1. Always under attack. Well, a cutting board is constantly underneath chopping knives. It is always under attack. 8,939 people guessed. Out of all of them, how many people got it right? 22 people got it right, which means each of those 22 people is going home with $227.27. That's awesome. Congratulations to Big Baby 34. Steady Tapioca. Oh, that's interesting. You got babies on one side and then tapioca eaters on the other side. Everyone's winning, all ages. Beluga Luga won. Impious Badge, Mad Hair. Guys, that's amazing, but the time has come. Time for puzzle number 2. Everyone who submits an answer, right or wrong, to this next puzzle is going to receive a great offer from Good Ranchers. Now, you can try their 100% American meat delivery subscription with $100 off and free meat for life. As always, everyone who answers correctly on the earliest clue is going to share the prize money. But Good Ranchers is throwing in something extra. Everyone who answers correctly on the earliest clue will also win a Good Ranchers Essentials box full of their fan favorite chicken and beef cuts, plus 6 bags of their seed oil free chicken nuggets. I mean, doesn't get much better than that. That's gonna add about $250 in value to your winnings. $250. That adds up, guys. Let's do this. There's a lot riding on the line. Let's get this one started. Round number 2, the prize doubles to $10,000. 53,000 people playing for a lot of money and a lot of meat. You know how it works. 5 clues, 20 seconds, only one best guess. Let us load the crystal ball. All right, guys, big game right now. Friday night, last game before the Super Bowl. Here's your first clue. Clue number 1, an amazing stand-up. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. My voice might have cracked right there. Nobody clip that. Nobody do anything with that ever. Let that footage die alone. Thank you. 5 seconds left. Time is up. Clue number 1, an amazing stand-up. Someone named Howie Fan Forever said Howie Mandel. Hey, let's go, Howie. Thanks for playing tonight. No. Spicy Dumpling 15 said ladder. An amazing stand-up. These are good guesses. Let's see if they hold for clue number 2. Good looking, but no personality. Good looking, but no personality. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Good looking, but no personality. Howie's got personality. Howie's got personality. Every time Howie and I hang out, I am genuinely cracking up and also unsure where it ends. But he's one of the funniest people I know. Time's up. Clue number 2, good looking but no personality. Sienna Bear 23 from Hoover, Alabama said mirror. Oh, yikes, I'm sorry. I think you've got personality. House Party Hillary said statue of David. Who doesn't like a 35-foot tall man? Okay. Clue number 2, good looking but no personality. Clue number 3, open-armed but unapproachable. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Good looking but no personality. All right. Open-armed but unapproachable. An amazing stand-up, good looking but no personality. Open-armed but unapproachable. You got 5 seconds left to figure this out. By the way, 2 more clues after this for your chance to win. Time is up. Bold Danny 211 said Creed. Hey, that's good. Very unapproachable. Baby Glenn 998 from Harlingen, Texas said tongs. Open arm, but if you get too close, snap, snap. That's good. These are good guesses. Let's move on to clue number 4. Mindless entertainment. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Okay, an amazing stand-up. Good looking, but no personality. Open-armed, but unapproachable. Mindless entertainment. You have 8 seconds left. 53,499 players. Good luck. Time is up. Clue number 4, mindless entertainment. Askew Potato 642 said cat. Hey, open-armed, very unapproachable, good looking, but no personality. Well, maybe, and definitely mindless entertainment. Cat's a good guess. Super Cooper 454 said guillotine. That's a great guess. That is a really good guess. I doubt you're right, but I like it. Clue number 5, your 5th and final clue. Your chance to win $10,000 all rides on this. Farmland mannequin that gets the birds panicking. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. I told you, I don't lie to you. Clue number 5 is gonna rhyme. Clue number 1 was an amazing stand-up. Then we had good looking but no personality. Clue number 3, open-armed but unapproachable. Clue number 4, mindless entertainment. And clue number 5, farmland mannequin that gets the birds panicking. Time's up. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be figuring out what it is right now, but let's figure out what it is together. What's in the crystal ball? The correct answer was a scarecrow. And a terrifying one. That was a terrifying scarecrow at the end. Why did we choose that? Anyway, let's take a look at how the clues fit and find out who's taking home the money. There's a lot of it on the line tonight. Let's go ahead and see. Clue number 5. Farmland mannequin that gets the birds panicking. You guys got that. 11,900 people guessed. 11,215 got it right. That clue might have been a little bit of a gimme. You're welcome. Was clue number 4 a gimme, though? Clue number 4, mindless entertainment. Well, in the winner's Wizard of Oz, the Scarecrow song is If I Only Had a Brain. 6,037 people guessed. 142 got it right. Pretty impressive. Open-armed but unapproachable is clue number 3. Well, by default, Scarecrow pose is arms wide open, but they have strong no trespassing vibes. That's kind of their main vibe. especially if you're a crow. That joke's for crows. Anyway, open armed but unapproachable, 10,247 people guessed. I thought I had more crows in the audience. 234 got it right. All right. It's interesting. More people got it right on 3 than 4. Let's see if that holds for clue number 2. Good looking but no personality. Well, it serves as a lookout for your crops, but isn't actually alive and thus has no personality. 15,656 people guessed. 244 people got it right. That's a lot of people. But did anyone beat them for clue number 1? An amazing stand-up. Well, all it does all day is stand up. It does an incredible job at it. 10,863 people guessed on clue number 1. Now, if you think you've won on clue 2, if you think you've won on clue 1, and maybe pull out your camera, send us these videos, because out of the 10,863 people that guessed, 163 people got it right, which means, listen, on a normal night, they're going home with $61.34, but tonight, all of our winners, well, we're going to reach out to you to make sure you get your prize, and everyone who submitted an answer is getting $100 off a Good Rancher subscription and free meat for life. But congratulations to all of our winners, right? They get a big value as well, right? Amazing. If you're not into meat, no harm, no foul. That one's for the crows. Thank you to everyone at Good Ranchers for these great prizes and everyone at home who played that round. Check your win history in the app. You'll find a scratcher with your offer. That is it for this edition of Best Guess Live. Congratulations again to all of our winners. We're here every weekday at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific. So come back on Monday and don't forget to bring your best guess. Good night.